Y'all, my jewelry collection is growing exponentially thanks to Bebe Luna. Make sure you check her out. She makes beautiful, custom, unique jewelry. And if you're looking for any cute, whimsical, fairy core, or anything just custom, hit her up on Instagram. I will make sure to link her Instagram page down below. I just wanted to share her jewelry is fire. It's beautiful. I got an unboxing video for you guys, and I also have a plant on my head, so I got it from Shein. Guys, I've been looking at this box for months, and it's been sitting at Target, so why not get it? So I went to Target, and I went ahead and purchased the Animal Crossing collector's box that I think is exclusively at Target, actually. Some of these are at certain places only, so I wanted to go ahead and get one, give it a try, unbox it, and show you guys what's inside, also with some other items that I got too. I got these super cute pops. I could not turn them down. I had to go ahead and get it because Sonic needs a friend. He needs a friend. And Sonic, you are so dusty. How did I let you get dusty? So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up too, and I went ahead and got the pastel pink Princess Peach Joy-Cons. I don't think they're like Princess Peach, but pastel pink when the game came out, which I also got. Princess Peach Showtime, which I will actually be live streaming this weekend and playing. I'm so excited to play it because I did a little bit of the demo and I was already hooked. Like, I'm so ready to play this game and show you guys, and we can all play together. So let me go ahead and unbox this stuff. I know you haven't seen my face in a long time. Hi. So, I'm Keke. I am the founder, creator of Plannerzoid, and I mostly talk about stationery, decorative planning, organizing, that kind of stuff, but occasionally I'll sprinkle in some other things that I love, such as lifestyle, beauty, self-care, and gaming videos like this one. I think I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Joy-Cons first. I think I wanna do that because honestly, these Joy-Cons, they look super cute, but when I was also looking at videos, some people said they were disappointed because it's not the kind of pink they want. So it could be the kind of pink I don't want, but at the same time, I like pink and I know for a fact it will match my room, so why not? Actually, this is cute. I think it's cute. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, it kind of matches her dress. I think it's cute. Now, I'm not gonna lie. I do feel like everyone else, when I first took these out, I immediately was hoping it was gonna be like, I don't know, this kind of pink. You know, it's a little bit different. It's kind of corally a little bit. Or even, oh, good, I got my scrap paper. I was hoping for this kind of pink too, like the background pink. You can kind of see the difference when you compare it to other pink objects, but I still think it is a pink, and I think that it's really cute. So I think it'll look good on my Switch. Oh, so adorable. I always enjoy getting new Joy-Cons because last year, you know, Nintendo came out with their pastel line, which honestly, I only bought one set. I think they came out with 4 colors, 2 colors per set. So I only bought one set because I felt like the pink and yellow, it wasn't giving pastel to me. It was giving kind of summery neon a little bit. Now the lavender and the mint green, those are cute. Those are good. I'm actually gonna put these on my OLED to show you guys how it look. All right, so here's my OLED. And actually, I did do a video where I decorated my Switch in this beautiful lavender fields cover. So I'll link it at the very end if you want to, you know, take a look at it. I think it's such a vibe. It's so fun. But these colors, gorgeous. I love the lavender and the mint. I don't know what aesthetic I want to give it. It's like I want to give it a girly, cute spring aesthetic, but also Zelda is on here, and this is the Zelda Tears of the Kingdom OLED Switch. Actually already looking on Amazon for a new cover because now that I have pink, I want to make it pink. Yeah, it doesn't match at all, but the front looks really good. And I think it goes well with my room. I love it. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, my babies. Oh. Actually, one point in my life, I wanted to collect all the Sonic Pops. And I know it's not a lot, but it's a lot of money to try to get them all at once. So I'm gonna get them over time because you know people on eBay are selling them for a high price now. So I'll just get them over time. Oh. Wait, they're like made of a suede material, like a velvety. Oh my goodness. I didn't know Pops could be made of like different textures and material. I thought they were all made of the, you know, the hard plastic. I did not know. Oh my God, it's like a suede material. Ah, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me show you guys up close because I did not know they put it in a different material. Now I gotta be careful because Sonic over here got dusty and I can't let these get dusty. Oh my gosh, let me show you up close. Okay, so take a look at the up close. This is how they look up close and they look so good. They're so nice. And then I also did a comparison with Sonic and Shadow next to each other so you can see the hard plastic that I'm used to when I see the Pops versus the suede. This is so nice. Suede, velvety material, whatever it is. This, oh my God, I feel fancy. This is so nice. And I'm wondering, did they do that because, you know, I guess they are like furry creatures. So I'm kind of wondering, did they just try to give them a texture to represent that? Because they are animals. These are all hedgehogs. So, I mean, they're not realistic hedgehogs, but they're hedgehogs. Actually, hedgehogs are like pointy or whatever, so. But yeah. Oh my goodness, these are so nice. So this is how they look. And actually, because Shadow is not standing up, and I did see that they came with a platform, a clear platform, if you can see that. I don't know, it looks like, wait, are these the same? I feel like they're the same. So actually, let me turn it back the other way. Okay, there we go. I gotta put in some effort to get them in there. She could probably stand on the platform, I think. Oh my goodness, look at my babies. Oh. You know what's crazy? Shadow literally has this super cool pose, and Amy do too. Sonic is just there with the ring. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. I think my favorite one, okay, two favorites. All of them are my favorites because I love Sonic the Hedgehog and will love Sonic the Hedgehog till the day I die. But Amy is so cute because she goes in my room. She's pink. Look at that. Actually, the Joy-Cons, oh my gosh, everything's swinging around. The Joy-Cons, I was hoping was gonna be this color. I was hoping it was gonna be like the color of Amy. Even though the Joy-Cons are cute, Amy's color is so much cuter. Oh my goodness. I like this pink. You know what? I don't even know who's the favorite. I can't choose. I like Shadow because he's in this really cool pose, a very Shadow-esque pose. But Amy, she's just cute and pink and matches my room. And Sonic, you know, he's the main, so they're all my favorite. Anyways, I know you guys are probably ready for me to open the Animal Crossing box, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but check out my babies. They look so good. This box honestly has been in Target for months. I don't know if they keep restocking it or no one has bought it. I'm not sure how long this particular box was sitting there, but I've been eyeballing this for months. So it was only like $30. I want to say it was like $29.99. So that was the price I paid. And I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this. So why am I talking? Unwrap this. So take a look at this beautiful box. It's a beauty. Let me tell you what made me really get this box. Two items made me get this box. First off, this little throw blanket is so cute. Oh my God, it's so nice. It's a little small, but you know, I think it's just supposed to be a cute little blanket to just wrap, you know, over you, which is okay. I could just, you know, wrap it over me when I'm cold or something. This is nice. Let me go ahead and show the pattern. This is the pattern. And y'all, can we give a round of applause? I had shoulder surgery a few months ago and my mobility is pretty much back. So I'm so happy about that. But the strength, on the other hand, and the endurance, my arm gets tired very fast. So if I don't hold this up for too long, I'm sorry. You got Tom Nook, you got the boys, you got Isabella, you got the leaves, you got KK Slider on here, you got the Animal Crossing trees. Cute blanket, cute. And the blanket is actually quite soft. It's pretty soft. Now, I don't know what's gonna happen to it when I wash it, but I'm sure there's instructions and I'll do my best. The other item that made me get this box, actually it's 3 items now, but this is the second item that made me want this box. So this is a bento box, and I guess, you know, it's like for food and stuff. So let me open it. I actually like that they wrapped it in plastic. You know, I've never owned a bento box in my life. So it's my first one. Okay, little handle, this is cute. I don't know how to, oh, there we go. Ah. Ooh. Got your little spoon and fork here. And then you have the box itself, which has 3 compartments. And then you got this 1 compartment on top. And then you put your utensils, I guess, and any other little things, like little snacks maybe. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, this is super cute. The third thing that made me get this was this hat. Look at this hat. Spring is coming too. Perfect colors. This hat. Wait, let me move my little plant. Oh, it's so cute. How do I look? How do you like my little hat? Knowing me, well, no, normally I wear hats kind of far back a little bit, but I just feel like, are you going to even see the leaves? So now I got to wear it like this. Like, I need everybody to see that I got my Animal Crossing swag on. So, yeah. Actually, if you want me to film and stream some Animal Crossing content, let me know, because honestly, I need help designing my island. Like, I started over, which was probably a mistake, and now I'm struggling to figure out what I want to do with this island. Now, the new island that I got, like the layout is nice. I like that. I'm probably not going to even terraform, because that's what made me start over. Terraforming gave me stress and anxiety in that game. Like, I ain't doing no terraforming this time, but if you got some ideas, let me know. Oh, a keychain. Yay! Okay. All right, I'm gonna put my little plant on. I get my pigment on. It remind me of pigment, my little plant. And the bottle fell, and oh my God, it's all the way under the table. I don't know what to say about this. Okay. It's cute. Let me put this back on. I was gonna put it on my keys, but now I don't trust it on my keys. It might break outside. But okay, so here's the keychain. How cute is this? It got like a little bottle. Then got the leaf. The leaf is my favorite. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. And then it comes with a plastic water bottle. I like this. Wait, does this come off? Why does it look like this? Oh, I thought it might have came off. Okay, so it's just a plastic bottle. Nice. This is cute. And then I could just take my little lunch in style. Oh my goodness. Yay. And the last item in this box is supposed to be like a book bag. But I kind of liked how they zipped this up. They should have put like a pouch or a wallet in here or something. It's bigger than I thought. So it has the same pattern as the blanket. And it looks like it has this front compartment up here. This is cute. So it looks like I could carry it as a tote or as a backpack. Yeah, I can. Okay, but I gotta add all the straps, and forgot how to do that. It's been a while since I've worn a backpack. I want to say, oh, let me see. I want to say it's like this. I don't even know what I will put in here, because I'm not gonna lie, this bag feels kind of flimsy. So I'm like, well, what do I put in this bag? I mean, I guess I could put my bento box and the bottle in the bag, along with my little Funko Pop. Oh, it is a top zip. Wait, is it a top zip? I lied. It is not a top zip. It has a pocket on the inside. It is not a top zip, and then it has this compartment in the front. So this is the bag in scale, the size of it. It is not a top zip, so you can use it as a tote or as a book bag. I think this would be great if I do like grocery shopping or something, or go to the park or something. How do I look, guys? Is this cute or what? This bag is so adorable. I feel like it's noisy, but that's because of the material. That's why I try to wear cotton materials, because this kind of material, you're gonna hear it everywhere you walk. But it's a cute bag. I'll take it. All my stuff is so cute. I'm in love with all this stuff. It is, oh my God, so cute. So the last thing I wanted to share, I feel like it wasn't that relevant, but it kind of ties to video games a little bit, so why not? I got another Stanley, and this is the first Stanley I got. This is my second Stanley. Trust me, I'm not on the Stanley craze and trying to buy a bunch of Stanleys, no. When I saw this, when I first saw this, I was like, ooh, this could be like, you know, the clouds in the sky, something really cute. But then, I don't know, I came across this one and now I can't unsee it. I'm gonna do a Sonic the Hedgehog and Tails the Fox design. So it's gonna be Sonic and Tails. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. I'm still trying to figure out the design, but if you have any ideas, let me know. I just want to put Sonic all over this cup and Tails all over this cup. It was gonna be like sun and sky, but change your mind. So now it's gonna be Sonic and Tails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had such a fun time opening the few little items I got. I'm so glad that I did purchase them, and I'm also glad that I waited too, because I'm trying to be better with my purchases, you know. I'm trying to like think it over, so it was still there. It must be meant for me to get it, right? Right? Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more content. I do put more gaming videos out. It's just rare, I guess. But I want to put more out because I love video games. They're so fun. That's just another aspect to Plannerzoid, is gaming. It's really fun. Now, I'm not a heavy gamer. I mostly love cozy, but from time to time, you'll see me play some other stuff and try something new. So stay tuned. This weekend, I want to try to get out Princess Peach Showtime. If I don't, it'll probably be next week, but I'm gonna try to get it out. I'm eager to play, so stay tuned. I plan to put this on my channel and stream me playing a little bit of it with Princess Peach Showtime. So I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Stay tuned for more content. Make sure you like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my Instagram. I post a lot of fun pictures there. Thanks for watching. Bye.